but what sort of role would you say that ads play in SEO?
To break down, I think we should probably first talk about a little bit about how ads work, so that we can then recontext not how ads work, but all the exact functions and functionalities of Google Ads, because we
Yeah.
haven't really touched on that just
Yeah,
yet.
that's fair.
Yeah. And what we can do with that is then we can use that to inform like the knowledge on the SEO front. So with Google, the way they do it is, so you already mentioned it, like it's an auction. So you put up all these keywords that you want to rank for or appear on or whatever it might be, and then you bid against other companies that are also trying to get onto the same keywords as you are and appear up at the top. This can be really expensive to really cheap, depending on what keywords and what products you're targeting. Um, However, there's also multiple avenues that you can do it on. I believe that there are five of them, and it is direct search, Google, display. I can't remember the last one. But yeah, and each one of them also has its own separate bidding system. So for example, you'll be bidding on keywords on YouTube for the video one, and they will appear on the Google search results and they will appear in YouTube, depending on what you search for, obviously. If it's something if Google understands contextually that what you're looking for is like a demonstration video, they will bring it up. It happened for GarageEye as well. Um, or for example, if you're trying to just get like a display ad, which is just in the right corner of the search rather than one that appears at the top of the rankings, you can also go for that. So there is a lot of things that you can be doing with advertising, but the one that we are talking about and most commonly, and what the lawsuit is about, are the search ads. Search ads appear at the top. Um, well, I was going to say top three, but it can actually be up to top five ads
Yeah.
that appear at the top of the rankings. And these eat into the SEO results in an unnatural way. And Google celebrates this obviously because they make a lot of money out of it, so they don't really care about that. Um, what this can mean for SEO and like SEOs in general is it can make you feel very like upset or maybe like, oh, all this hard work I'm doing in SEO and I only appear fifth in the search results, even though I'm number one, apparently. But there's
Yeah.
four other people above me that just paid for the convenience.
Yeah.
In video game terms, especially in free-to-play games, there is a term called pay to win, and
Yeah.
that's what I like to attribute PPC to, because
Definitely.
it's literally the exact same thing. Like
It
you
is,
pay
yeah.
to win the rankings, don't you?